Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Andaz Seoul Gangnam. We had a wonderful stay for 5 nights in this upscale neighborhood near the Upjong station. There are tons of great places to eat and shop. Within walking distance is the very popular and busy Hyundai department store. And here's an easy tip. We took bus 6006 from Incheon Airport, exited near Upjong station, and walked about 5 minutes to our hotel. It's an easy walk even with our hands full of luggage. The lobby area is clean and welcoming, but not particularly grand in scale. It has a more intimate and quiet aura, but I do like the modern touches. The Andaz theme is all about reflecting the local community, highlighting culture and style. This one had such a cool, luxurious vibe that was both creative and comfortable. The hotel features various art pieces that contribute to its overall theme, and I really enjoyed it. We arrived exceptionally early, well before the standard check-in time of 3 p.m. Despite this, the hotel was incredibly accommodating and kindly offered us a courtesy room before our reserved room was prepared. Our room was ready in the afternoon and it did not disappoint. We used a suite upgrade award and stayed on the 7th floor in the Andaz suite. Our family of 4 had ample space in our suite, which spanned over 750 square feet. The hotel's modern design elements were seamlessly incorporated into our accommodation. Having an extra restroom and sink at the entryway is a huge plus. I particularly appreciated the simple floor plan that effectively separated the living room from the bedroom. There are 2 pocket doors which further helped this division. For the kids' sleeping arrangements, we requested extra bed linens and set them up on the couch. Although it's not a sleeper sofa, it was quite comfortable and spacious enough for both of them. City views were adequate, but even on the 7th floor, I could still hear some of the traffic down below. One of the unique furnishings was the semi-hidden beverage cabinet, complete with coffee maker and glassware. The refrigerator had complimentary beverages, including soda, juices, and beer. In addition to the beverages, complimentary snacks were provided daily and refreshed. As a Hyatt Globalist Elite status member, we were treated to some fresh fruit and a delightful French Bordeaux, which we thoroughly enjoyed. The hotel generously provided us with 2 drink vouchers per day redeemable at the restaurant. We opted for takeout and they were kind enough to pack them for us. The master suite was excellent. The bed was incredibly comfortable, clean, and provided the much-needed rest after a long flight. I appreciate the simplicity of the room. It's spacious and bright. However, I found the desk area in front of the large TV a bit disappointing. It was narrow and the chair didn't match the table's height. There was also this command center, which I couldn't figure out, so I let my kids mess around with it. And if you're into pressing buttons, well, this place has it. Go ahead and press some buttons and see what happens. Also, don't forget your universal travel adapter. The closet space was incredible, featuring 3 distinct sections with shelves and hangers, but no drawers. Additionally, you'll find the ironing board and safe here. They also provide a dehumidifier, though it wasn't as necessary in October. The bathroom was exceptionally well designed and conveniently separated from the bedroom. In my opinion, smart toilets are a must, and these functioned wonderfully. The bathroom was exceptionally bright and equipped with all the necessary amenities. Although single-use amenities are now limited, I'm not complaining as I've never had a clean shave with any hotel razor. The standalone bathtub was perfectly sized and capable, and the shower was overly spacious with excellent water pressure. I highly recommend this bathroom as it has inspired me to renovate my own home's bathroom. The good-smelling Christophe Laudemiel toiletries enhance the overall experience. Located on basement level 2, the gym, pool, and spa are phenomenal. The gym offers an excellent variety of cardio and strength training machines. There are plenty of options as it was never crowded. Also, Pilates equipment is available for those taking private classes. The pool area exudes luxury and sophistication. There are multiple tubs with varying temperatures to cater to your spa preferences. While video recording is prohibited in the locker rooms, I highly recommend taking a shower there to experience what I think is the heaviest rainfall shower head ever. This indoor pool and spa area is probably the best I've encountered. Easily a 10 out of 10. As Hyatt Globalists, we received complimentary breakfast for 2 adults and 2 children at Jogakpo on the 2nd floor. There were 2 sections in the restaurant. One side featured cold foods like fruit, cereal, yogurts, breads, and salads. The other side had traditional Western items such as eggs, sausage, bacon, and hash browns, as well as various Korean inspired dishes. As always, we tried everything and thoroughly enjoyed exploring new dishes and flavors. Food quality was really good, as everything was very hot and fresh. The friendly and approachable staff ensured that our tables were always cleared and spotless. Also on the second floor is a wine bar for your alcoholic beverages, and on the first floor is a small cafe with a decent amount of seating. And if you do have a car, there is self-parking as well as valet at around $30. Staying in Gangnam is a bit far from some of the more popular tourist attractions. However, as a Hyatt Category 5-point hotel redemption, I felt this stay offered a great balance of luxury and value. Navigating Seoul is rather straightforward, and Gangnam is safe and vibrant. What do you think? Thanks for watching.